Okay, so today I'm going to share with you a very yummy potato recipe. I have mashed potatoes. This is around 4 cups of mashed potatoes, 6 potatoes roughly estimated. I have chaat masala right here. I have chopped onion. I have sliced green chilies, and I have chopped cilantro. You can use parsley or whatever is your choice. And then I have 1 spoon of red pepper flakes, garlic powder, this is black pepper powder, salt, and like I said, this is chaat masala. Chaat masala is a blend of spices that are not too strong, but they are very tasty. They bring a lot of flavor to your food. So if you don't want red pepper, or you don't want, oh, excuse me for this noise, but if you don't want black pepper, so you can just go ahead and you can use the chaat masala and salt. So let's get started. Potatoes are already boiled and mashed. Onions right there. Green chili. These are 6 chilies. Green dhania or cilantro. All the spices that I just mentioned, everything goes in. So I'm going to mix all of this with my hand, and I'm going to mash the potatoes as much as I can. And then I'm going to do like you make a dough. जिस तरह डो बनाते हैं, जिस तरह हम आटा गूंदते हैं, उस तरह से मुट्ठियों के साथ मैं उसको गूंद लूँगी, because you want this potato mixture to be very good mash, like sticky, almost sticky. You don't want it to, into big chunks. तो बहुत अच्छे से इसको हमने गूंदना है. And after I'm done with that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make half without egg. आप उसमें अंडा डाल सकते हैं. I'm going to put egg in half, and I'm going to make half without egg. So the one with egg, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of white corn flour in it, not cornstarch, corn flour, and 1 egg. So we will make 2 different kinds. Okay, so I'm going to shape up the potato dogs. I'm going to turn into a hot dog kind of shape, but bigger. And I'm going to put a skewer in the middle. इसके दरमियान में जो stick है वो लगा देंगे, और उसको, oops, sorry, तो उसको हम जो है ऐसी shape देंगे जैसे corn dog की shape होती है. Corn dog के अंदर hot dog होता है, लेकिन इसके अंदर मैं hot dog नहीं डाल रही. I'm not adding any meat to this one, because I want to keep them, simple. I don't want any hot dog in the middle. Otherwise, you can put the hot dog on the skewer and then coat it with the potatoes. So we are just making plain potato dogs. Only thing is, half are going to be with egg and half without egg. So just shape them like that, and because it's sticky mixture, it's going to stick. The one without egg is going to be a little bit softer, but the one with the egg is going to be very different shape, not shape, consistency. So these are without egg. पहले ये बनाएंगे, ज़रा से soft बनेंगे ये टिक्की की तरह, and then we will do the rest. So let's get started. All right. We are ready to fry them, but not deep fry. Corn dogs are usually deep fried. I'm not going to deep fry them. I'm going to coat them in a little bit of corn flour on the top. Just roll them in the corn flour like that. थोड़ा सा उसको roll कर लें, and just a little coating in this one. The other one, we are going to, the rest of the mixture, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 egg, and then we will do it differently. So these are going to be a little bit soft. तो इनको हमने रोल कर लिया है वाइट कॉर्न फ्लावर के अंदर, कॉर्न स्टार्च में नहीं, कॉर्न फ्लावर में रोल कर लिया है. थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालेंगे हम इसके ऊपर, क्योंकि हम डीप फ्राई नहीं करें. आमतौर पे कॉर्न डॉग को डीप फ्राई करते हैं, लेकिन हम इसको डीप फ्राई नहीं करें, बस थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालेंगे, और ताकि एक अच्छी सी क्रिस्प उसके ऊपर आ जाए. तो फिर हम उसको बस इसको फैला दें, ज़रा सा ऑयल को फैला लेते हैं अभी. We're going to just spread it around a little bit. Let it heat up Okay, just lightly coated. Just coat the pan because you don't want your dog to be sticking to the pan. All right, let's see if the oil is heated up. Yeah, almost. So it's not going to stick. वो छोटी सी चीज़ जो है पॉप करके ऊपर आ गई है, इसका मतलब है कि ऑयल जो है वो गर्म है. अब हम उसको स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. Bismillah. Like I said, those are going to be a little bit soft. And if you like them soft, do it this way. The one I'm going to do with the egg is going to be more firm, and it's going to be, yeah, more a different consistency. Let's put it that way. Okay, so very gently you can just roll them around. Make sure they are golden brown from all sides. Once that happens, we're done with this batch. Alrighty, those are almost done. Right there. These I'm making now. This is the second one with the egg and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm sorry, corn flour. See, even I forgot. Okay, so those, you can see they look different and the consistency is different. I think if you are making them the first time, add 1 egg. अगर आप पहली दफ़ा बना रहे हैं तो आप उसमें 1 egg और corn flour थोड़ा सा, I'm sorry again, थोड़ा सा corn flour उसके अंदर मिक्स कर लें, तो इससे वो ज़्यादा फर्म बनेंगे, सख्त बनेंगे, तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा हैंडल करना ना उनको. पहली दफ़ा में देखिए उनका कलर कितना अच्छा हो गया, और वो दूसरे जो सॉफ्ट वाले हैं उनसे डिफरेंट लग रहे हैं. ठीक है, और सो आप इस तरह बना सकते हैं अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम बना रहे हैं. ये देखिए ये रन हो गया, कलर भी प्यारा आ गया, इट्स गोल्डन ब्राउन ऑन ऑल साइड्स, एंड आई थिंक आई एम डन विद दिस. सो लेट्स garnish it with some green onion. You can have a dip of mustard, you can have a dip of ketchup, and you can also use some sour cream or plain yogurt like I'm doing with a little bit of cumin and chives on it. So this is pretty good too. I like it with the potatoes. So आपकी मर्जी है कि आप जैसे भी करना शुरू करें. And if you like my recipe, don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe